Alright, what's up, YouTube? So this is how you load them in there. Note to self, wear gloves. That's your PSA for the day. But anyways, so what you do is, as I did these corners, I bent them around just so it'd be easier for me to work on. But you place this on here, and then as you can see, it goes around both wires and starts to curl. Give it a good squeeze. There you go, you're done. Sun's going down, but I got the back side attached to the floor, doing the side, I'm gonna do the front. So it's gonna be one of those weird videos because I didn't turn it sideways first. But thumbs up, thumbs down, bitch, most complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm USMC Vet. Super 5 Godspeed. Peace.